This is London with Bitcoin Spike and VIP Trader. We're going to go over the New York close. Congratulations to everyone who traded today. A lot of downside momentum. We need to talk. Let's talk about the specifics in terms of the New York close as it would pertain to Tesla. Tesla has got some earnings that are incoming. We will look on our chart and we will note that that is going to be today. In terms of after the bell, we're looking for some information. I have a critical update for Tesla. Let's pay attention to it. This is London with Bitcoin Spike and VIP Trader. What do we have on the weekly? I'm going to just tell it like it is. Look, we're going into the unknown. If you are a absolute unwavering bull on Tesla, and that's it, nothing could stand in your way in terms of a potential pickup along a level of support, then the weekly was made for you right now to show your aggressive nature in the market, to show that you cannot be deterred as being a bull along a level of support. And irrespective, if you decide with this incoming after hours, look at it, guys, the weekly level of support is engaged directly right now on Tesla. You may be trading after hour. You may need to go to your broker, hopefully not Morgan Stanley right now. Tough day for Morgan Stanley. Ouch, they didn't like to listen to me. I gotta say, down here, come on, Morgan Stanley, come on. Rough day. Wish the guys the best. Nice guys. I know the guys. But hey, rough day. It's not easy being right in the market. Use it as an example. Use them as an example. If you decide, I'm going long, that's it. I'm a Tesla bull. We're on support. We're on the weekly. This is your opportunity to hammer in. Go with the risk in the market and say, hey, we're on support. I can roll with a little bit of risk on Tesla. You may be that type of trader. To the extent you're that type of trader, I invite you to follow the technicals and to completely forget about the fact, if you so choose, it is at your own risk. And I will just tell you that you would be in one heck of a Tesla bull club to go ahead and say, well, we're at support. Do I care about the fundamentals? Of course you do. It's Tesla. They got to make those cars. They got to make those trucks, and they got to sell them, enough of them. Same issue with NVDA. You got to sell enough of them to get this thing to go up. Morgan Stanley with an awful day. You got to appreciate it. We're T-5. Okay, in terms of the New York close, I'm letting you know on Tesla, before the earnings release, you're on support. Now, we know one thing. Let's go through one thing. Given the risk dynamics in play on Tesla, first of all, a lot of good trades today, a lot of side action, a lot of good trades today. Momentum has been down. We're going to say on the weekly, well, we have to say momentum's been down. You guys got that right. What about the daily on Tesla? What about that daily momentum? What are you doing? What are you doing, Tesla? You're finally rolling over on the momentum? Ouch. On the daily. Now, this would be a heck of an uppercut knockout for the bulls to pull off a move, with the weekly down momentum, with the specific, you guys got it, with the specific daily finally starting to curl over here with a downside target on the daily being that lower Bollinger Band. Now, you may just say, I don't pay attention to any of the fundamentals. I'm only going to pay attention to Fire and Ice. Fire and Ice traded today. Lower pro line traded was a nice hit today. Nicely done on Tesla. Nice hits today on Tesla. Some nice high level of precision hits on Tesla. So if you're a bull, hey, you go ahead and show me you're a bull. I'll recommend one thing. If and to the extent that this line does break, it's typically not a good level to be involved after we break that specific level of support. We've seen this on the micro. This is on the macro on the weekly. They have some push and pull here. T-3 for you to make a decision. Do you want the guys? You got the earnings after the bell. Do you want the support line pickup? You're supposed to buy on support, sell at resistance, trade your patterns, and hit your targets. Easy does it, guys. Easy does it. You got the earnings incoming. Don't play coy with it. If you want to hit it, hit it. If you want to hit it, hit it. You want to be a bull, you want to be known as a Tesla bull, but do not hit it if it's going to hurt. Bottom line, okay? That's what I would tell my best friend. That's what I'm going to tell you, okay? If you want to hit it, hit it. But if it's going to hurt, do not hit it. Do not hit it. Don't hit anything. If you're not getting the trade that you want, it's going to hurt. Do we have a downside target on these specific? You want to pass up a level of support like this? I don't know, guys. I mean, you blame it on Tesla, you blame it on Elon, you blame it on all types of things. You got 2 minutes to make a decision. It's just it. It's a perfect level of support. True? I mean, if it's going to hurt or set you back, let's trade it on the open. Hey, former HQ Hillside we were at, huh? Tesla can be really, really mean after hours, huh? Can put you through a grueling, I'm going to tell you, you got to be prepared to eat the position without a doubt. I have witnesses on this one, absolutely prepared to eat the position, no problem, let's roll in. We made money on that trade. Yikes. We made money on that trade, okay. But don't worry about it, guys. In terms of this, is not a game for the lighthearted. Let's look at T-2 on Tesla, which is reporting after the bell. Down and out and under of, symmetrical triangulation. We are in the red zone. We concur, we concur. Look at this beautiful candle set out underneath. Now, this is the deal. If you own this from a short position, you have a nice entry. In terms of your short 4-hour candle set below and boom, driving down. So that's the question right now. If you own the short, T-1 and counting for the New York close. If you own the short, so do I keep my short? You're in a breakout. Technically, you're in a breakout. Do you own it? Pay attention. Do you own it from right here? Or do you own the short higher? Where do you want to buy your shorts? Where do you want to enter your shorts? Higher. Where do you want to enter your longs? Lower. Give yourself a little bit more of a cushion to play hardball, guys. Play long ball. In terms of grand slam opportunity comes when you enter your short high, when you enter your longs low. Dance with the price action a bit. If you are in this here, I'm not going to tell you one way or the other. I'll tell you you're going to be playing with some fire in terms of, guys, if it's going to stress you out, if it's going to hurt you in terms of your position, let's trade in the morning. Let's hit it in the morning. We saw a breakdown of this specific. Boom, it's over. It's over. New York's closed. What a day. We'll go through the specific level hits that we had today. Where are we on Tesla? Let's talk about it. Specific head and shoulders pattern did play out in terms of this feature. Got that right shoulder. Got the break of the price action at that 23.6. All right? We have some lower targets, bottom line. We'll see. What do we got on Tesla? It's going to be fun. What do we got? What do we got? Let's see if CNBC will be quiet for me so we can go live. Tesla earnings this hour. What do you got? Earnings this hour. Tesla, Netflix, Sands, Zions, Bancorp. Let's see what we got. What we got. So, I know people in both camps. They're just not going to be. They're not going to be in a bear crowd. I know people who will pay to lose money to not be in a bearish crowd. True. Yeah, and they know I'm talking about it. Oh, yeah, it would be me. Yeah. So in terms of that feature, I will listen in to what we have in terms of waiting Tesla and Netflix. Yeah, it's a night. I mean, how could I not bring this to you in terms of the weekly on Tesla? How could I not bring that? You're right along the level of support. We just know, typically, guys, we don't want to be. We don't want to be involved in this level here after the breach of this level of support. Tesla can do what Tesla wants to do. We just typically don't want to be involved in that. Let me see. Let me see what we got. In terms of Dow closes down more than 300 points as the 10-year treasury yield soars to another 16 high. 1 second. Tesla. Netflix killing it, huh? 6% to the upside. Yeah. What do we got? Okay, so this is Netflix on right now. Netflix popped 6%. Yeah, Netflix popping 6% to the upside. Nice to see it, huh? Nice to see Netflix. We focus on Tesla. We want an Optimus robot. That's what we're in. That's what we're trading for, huh? We're going to dedicate everything to Optimus robot. Hope you're doing well today. Hope you traded well today. A lot of levels of engagement. I've just focused on Tesla because we have earnings incoming. It's good stuff. In terms of NVDA, we had some nice levels of engagement. Fire Nice did trade. Looking at that green buy line on NVIDIA, bam, that was a nice hit, true? Yeah, we gave up that lateral pickup. We gave up the lateral pickup on, we gave up, I'm just watching CNBC here. We gave the lateral pickup on NVIDIA down to the green buy line. It engaged, yes. It made money, yes. That's what we're talking about. Way to trade, fire and ice, doing quite well. All right, when are they going to get into? Hopefully you don't have this all over your, no, I do have the desktop muted. Let's see what we have. Let's see what we got. Let's see if Tesla's incoming. Come on, huh? We'll see. I don't know exactly when Tesla's going to march it up. Let me see what we got going on in the chats. Hope you're all doing well. I had to bring that weekly to you. That's the most relevant game in the book. Let's take a look at this in terms of what do we have here. Hope everybody's doing well, So Netflix popped 6% after the bell. Nicely done. It's down to 5%. So we're going to have to weather through this, is the bottom line. I'm going to just congratulate anyone who's specifically trading on our fire and ice, because it's killing it. If you're doing well, let us know. That's it. If you're VIP and you're doing well with it, let us know. Otherwise, I don't know specifically that you're even trading it. And these indicators are for you to trade. You guys need to escucha, okay? Listen up. These indicators are for you to trade and you to do well. If I don't know that you're doing well and that you're trading, there's no reason for you to have the indicator, okay? You can watch and understand the concepts involved, but as I look at and assess who's doing well with the indicators, they're killing it, guys. Those are nice hits, okay? If you're not telling us that you're doing well, okay, with the indicators, there's no reason for you to have it. All right, and I'm not being stern. I want to make sure that you specifically are trading it. How else are we to confirm that you're trading it or not? When you see levels like this hit just nicely, boom. That's a great trade. Great trade on NVIDIA. Looking at that roll over, boom, boom, boom. In terms of the capital control line on that 4 hourly, hello, guys, hello. Nicely done. Nice short. You just can't pass these up. So, let's see. So Netflix did beat. These are exciting times. These are good times. We enjoy the market. Let's see what we got. What's ETH doing? Is ETH doing well? Let me see what ETH's doing. They're trying to pull my attention over to ETH, not on Tesla. It's not up right now. ETH's not up. It's almost flat. So is Bitcoin, almost flat. Let's see what we got. So we may have to wait for a bit on Tesla. You got the name of the game. If you put in a level, if you put in a cliffhanger here in terms of a bullish level, guys, if you put an entry here, congratulations, okay? You're my style of trader. I'd like to know, guys, I'd like to know that you put a level in with, guys, fully informed decision. You make your own call on this one. You'd be crazy to think someone's just going to tell you, yeah, go ahead and just enter in right here. We know what's going to happen on the earnings. You're going to be outed very quickly. Let's see, Venus. What's going on, Venus? Nice to see you, Venus. Bam. Now, I just received a delivery here at HQ, which means I need to roll. So, to the extent that you had the heads up, the most important thing you can do is make an informed decision in the market. True fact. See why we had to discuss the specifics here on Tesla on the weekly. You're on the specific support line. The weekly, we also do know what, well, we consider the weekly potential for a flex down and below that weekly. We just consider the fact that if you're a bull and could not be hindered and want to roll the dice, Tesla. Tesla. Tesla results are out. Tesla, watching CNBC. Tesla results are out. Netflix shares pop as streamer reports better than expected profit. I saw a quick tick. Tesla down slightly, 1.17. Netflix up 9.48%. Nice. We don't trade Netflix. A heck of a pop. Nice. Who's not at home watching movies, huh? They started to make more money because they did the Netflix, bravo, did the situation where you can't just give everyone your Netflix account. Yeah. Tesla down 0.45%, just reported. Come here. You come here. Where's the pop-up, huh? Hold on 2 seconds. This is good stuff. We got to pay attention to what's going on. And I trust you guys are paying attention and watching this on CNBC. Tesla.
Stocks about flat at this point after hours, Phil.
It may not be flat for long, John. We have a miss on the top.
Oh, a miss.
With gross auto margins coming
0.66.
in lighter than the street was expecting. Earning 66 cents a share, the street was expecting Tesla to earn 73 cents a share.
0.66 versus 0.73.
Was expected at just
Expected.
over 24 billion. Came in at 20.
Revenues miss at 23 billion versus 24.1 estimate.
And slightly lower deliveries than expected during the third quarter.
Slightly lower deliveries than expected in the fourth quarter.
And gross auto margins, another reflection on the pricing pressure.
Gross auto margins
Came in at
16.1%.
The street was expecting 17.6%.
Expecting 17%.
7.6% with operating cash flow of $3.34 billion. But again, a miss on the top and the bottom line for Tesla. Company earning 66 cents a share.
Earning per share is 0.66, guys, versus 0.73. Not a huge reaction in terms of the actual. We're up 0.64%.
Victoria, you were worried about this one. It is indeed a miss.
Now, let's see what happens. Not an immediate reaction. Okay, we had Netflix that popped and went wild. You see what can happen. We had a miss on Tesla and not the expected reaction. A little bit of a soft report on Tesla. Now they're talking, is it an okay miss or is it something to really talk about? You got to be careful with these guys. This is a great example. Technicals lining up with a level of support, and now they're deciding after a miss on earnings whether or not, well, this one specifically might just be okay. Are you kidding me? No, guys. You can, 2 seconds, guys. I've got an appointment here and a delivery. I've got to go. We walked you through level of support. Dig in. Tesla just flipping red. This is London with Bitcoin Spike and VIP Trader. Pleasure to be with you today for the open and the afternoon. Way to go. Guys, let's trade the open tomorrow. We'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.